louder than the unbelief. Oh, I raise a hallelujah. My weapon is my mouth.
After Makayla put 12 pounds of oil on these
Makes things
potatoes,
good, honey. Calories are good.
she's now adding butter.
Makes things good, honey.
Then she made some little, what would you
Raspberry, well, raspberry coulis.
Okay, raspberry coulis. This is like some like cheesecake crust. That's white chocolate stuff. There's the steak. I'll get there, Becca, don't worry. There's her little spheres that she made that we're gonna melt the raspberries over. And then here we have Becca chopping some tomatoes.
Hey guys.
Killing it. She chopped all these cucumbers, all those tomatoes. She helped with the parsley. She helped with the garlic. We're making steak sandwiches. And what's our dessert called? I never know.
Just a raspberry cheesecake sphere.
Sounds great. So, guys, this is how you slice an onion.
Okay, see this hair right here? Never cut that off because it keeps the whole onion together. So what you do is you slice the end.
Even when you cut, you can't cut it off.
You don't see this hair right here, you keep that on because this keeps the whole onion intact. Okay, so we're gonna cut this way so then you can cut this in half. So the hairy right here, you just kind of cut it in half. Okay, then you peel it.
Do that again.
Wow.
And then, that's a bad spot, but it's okay, we'll do it later. So then what we're gonna do is just do thin slices, just like that.
I want you to know that we have put tomatoes and garlic and now onions into that parsley. Is that okay?
Yes, of course.
All the
more flavor
flavors.
for the potatoes.
All the flavors.
Just like that, people.
Okay, and then if you wanted to like dice it, you'll just go in and dice it.
So no, if you want to dice it, what you do is you go cut, and then this way, cut, and then this way, dice.
Got it. We'll get back to you guys when our dinner's ready.
I'm used to it.
So you got the take that off, take the skin off.
Off to a great start.
¿Dónde quedó
Hi,
el esto?
Dad.
El thing.
Oh, you can use mine over there. It's
Okay.
over there on the counter.
Yeah.
Jenny, is she following my dad?
We already did that.
We already did that part. So now
So now you turn it up flat. Oh, there's one more layer. So take off this one too, because this you don't need that. So take off this too. So see it's shiny with the shiny spot. It's dull and it's shiny.
yes.
Yeah. And it feels like rubber. You know what I mean? So now you're gonna cut this way. Bam, bam, bam.
Got it.
You got this back.
Alright.
That was good.
Wow.
I would hold the onion down. Okay, or not.
I don't like to cut my finger, you know, it's scary.
That's great.
So it's a little too thick. It's a little too thick. Oh, but it's okay. We'll just use these.
Is that the well done steak?
No. Yeah.
How you doing, Bex?
I'm watching it cut it. It's great. I want to throw, can I be useful and throw some
Yes.
stuff away?
Yes. Please do whatever you
Becca,
want.
what are you doing over there with that letter?
I'm trying to find a place to put it all.
There ain't no place right now.
I know.
I feel so bad. I'm making such a mess. See, we used all this.
Oh, you're fine.
Dad.
We made the food, so can you clean up later?
Of course.
Yeah. Mom, how do you feel? Are you so happy? Oh.
Look how messy this is. Okay, all done. It's ready.
Did you like your dinner?
Yeah, thank you. It's really nice.
Happy
So
birthday.
good. So delicious.
A little bit longer.
Becca, not too rough.
Okay, we're gonna start a fire up.
Okay, now I need a pour thingy. I need a thingy that will like pour stuff.
Ready?
Is that neat?
I know I love cheesecake too.
Oh my god. You try too.
There's
Bella, you have to
raspberries,
try it
tomatoes,
too.
so
Welcome to my crib. Here we got the living room,
Kitchen.
kitchen.
Where were you eating? Messy kitchen.
Do you guys
No,
do you guys
no, no.
ever eat right here?
Every day.
Cute. This is my favorite room.
This is where we do not eat every day. Oh, that's your favorite room.
Okay, this is where we do not eat every day. Becca, this is so beautiful.
Thank you. My mom, she did it all. And then this is the room I don't think I've ever really set foot in. But today I am.
Okay. Cute room.
Then we have my mom's room.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the bathroom.
Do you ever take a bath in there?
Actually, I do. It's very cozy. Cozy. This is your closet.
Okay. Her desk.
My grandma's room is next. Oh! Part 2 of grandma's room.
Okay.
My closet.
Love it.
Bella's room. And then we got a little Jack and Jill going on over here. Our messy bathroom. In my room, which is also not really up to par right now. Don't excuse this mess. Inside.
Oh
And
wow.
then it's raspberry sorbet.
Yum.
And yeah, so
Ooh. Wow, guys. I feel pretty special. Aww. Now we're just missing Abby, huh? Oh, look at that. It opens. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Wow. Oh my word.
And so there's
Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, hi, Abby.
but yeah, so
Hi, Abby.
just molds, and then I filled the second half of it.
Oh, you're already doing it.
Love you.
That's
Happy Mother's Day.
I have a vlog with my
Oh, I
roommate.
love people taking pictures of me eating.
All right, are we ready?
I don't even know how to pour it.
Keep pouring.
So she said she wanted to go. Okay. So she said she wanted to stay, but then she's decided.
So excited.
Oh, she just said.
Dig in.
Hi guys, so today we have Danny back, featured again, number 3. The question of the day today is, what do you do when people in your life are mean?
And just want to bring drama.
Yeah, like what do you do? How do you cope? Danny, how do you cope?
I go and get my nails done. I'm kidding. I don't respond, and
You kind of ghost people.
yeah, I ghost people. I mean, I'm sorry.
I don't
just
have the power to ghost people. I don't know why. I have such a kind heart.
Honestly, no. I really try to avoid those situations with people. so I feel like I don't put myself in that.
You're
but
never caught in those situations.
yeah, because I just can't handle
I
it.
think I'm too nice, so people are like take advantage of me. But I don't know how to cope, so that's why that's the question of the day. So I can't wait for you guys to answer it. Thank you, love you,
Love
bye.
you guys.
Also, look at my new bathing suit.
But I do think that you're okay. There's a lot of people that actually.
Big bag.
So we're at
We're
the
up at one
still
still. Okay,
playing whatever this is called, cornhole.
Can we just talk? Wait.
Happy Sunday, guys. This is what we're doing. No.
Hi, welcome to
Hey, can we just get it on the board, bro? Hey, don't play. Hey, don't. Nah.
Okay, Serena, how do you deal with drama? Yes, you do. How do you deal with it?
I confront it and I say, what's going on? Why are we both being so stupid? And then it's usually something behind the actual something. So say I acted like I was mad at Abby for using my nail polish. It's built up, so then you just figure out it's built up and then you crush that guy. You don't even have to build anything else. And that's how I deal with it. But you shouldn't confront someone without praying about it first, because conflict resolution, I'm an intern, Capital Church taught me this. Dr. Bill Grable, conflict resolution guy, he literally has like a doctorate in conflict resolution, like it's insane. But first, it's very biblical, you pray about it and you take it to God and you give it to him, and if it's still with you, which it shouldn't be because we don't carry burdens, but sometimes it lingers and you have to deal with it, then you go and talk to them about it, and if it still doesn't change, then you talk to like leaders and pastors and you go to them with it. But it's usually doesn't need to get to the third point. Usually you can crush it with prayer. And then you just pray for them. And because you can't hate someone that you're praying for.
Smart. Yeah, I either don't deal with it. Normally I do. I like talking about it because I just don't like when people are mad and it makes me sad. And depending on how bad it is, I just have to pray about them so that I'm not angry at them. Currently doing that.
I was looking at the camera so long, I'm driving. I was looking at the camera for so long.
We need to go because this isn't safe. But I think that I like to confront it, and I usually pray about it, or pray like for the person specifically, because so I can't have the anger in my heart.
I have another question of the day.
Okay.
How often do you poop a day? Because I poop all the time, and I don't know if that's an issue or not. Like, is that healthy?
I think so. I think everyone's different.
I poop after every meal, like instantly.
Okay, I don't do that.
I poop like 3 times a day, I think.
Yeah,
Is there a hole in my intestine?
let us know down below.
Wait, how many times do you poop?
I feel like once. Okay, let us know, guys. We'll wait for your response.